Hi, I'm getting an E7 error message on my AEG induction cooktop. Is this an inexpensive repair or am I looking at replacing the existing unit? Thanks.
Would you kindly let me have the model number of your hob, please?
AEG HK874400FB.
Thank you. E7 means that the cooling fan under the unit is faulty or blocked with dirt/fluff. Or alternatively, its power cable or power source is not supplying power to the fan unit. Under the hood and check first.
Hi, thanks. Is there more than one fan unit as the two LHS hobs work fine? It's only when all four are on at once that this error message comes on. Assuming it's a faulty fan unit and not the power cable, is the cost to replace the fan unit very high? That is it worth fixing? It's only about 14 months old and only used for the past 3 months. So I don't think it's a dirt issue. Thanks.
Copy and paste the following: http://shop.electrolux.com.au/model/35722190008. Regarding the above, I would suggest it's a case of turning the hot plates on and seeing which one isn't working from under the unit. From what you have noted above, I would take a stab at the right-hand one being faulty then.
Thanks for the link. I'll try out what you have suggested.
Keep me in the loop as to how you get on, but in the meantime, would you kindly rate the information given so that I can close the job down on my screen? Once done, just log back in for further information if required at free from this point on. Thanks for using JA and have a great day. Ian.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.